Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to fix Payoneer receiving account not showing. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, on your screen, once you log into your Payoneer, you will end up over here on the left side of the menu. You can see we are at home page. You need to click on get paid. Once you click on that, you will end up over here. Here you can see we have request a payment option, right? But please bear in mind that in order to initiate payment request, you must have accumulated a minimum of $5,000 or its equivalent in your account. However, there is a solution available to you. So what it is, on the top right corner, you will need to click on your profile. Under that, you will find support center option. Just open this in a new link tab or just click on this and you will end up over here. What are you going to do? Just click on this option, my Payoneer account. After that, click on close reopen account. Click on I wish to close my account. Scroll down until you see contact us. Click on this. It will open up a new window like this. And here, just click on this. At the top, you will find receive payments. Click on this option and tell them your valid reason over here. Once you write this over here, just click on this option and click on submit. Once you submit your request for receiving payments, Payoneer will provide an automatic response, though it may take some few days, but email reply will take some time. They will indicate that the service has specifically eligibility criteria. To qualify for the service of receiving amounts, it is necessary to demonstrate increased activity in receiving payments from other services, which is obviously approved by Payoneer. So after that, what you need to do, once you have accumulated a minimum of $50 in payments, you will see that the option to apply for the service within your online account. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to fix Payoneer receiving account not showing. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.